Okay, coffee. You can insert 1 coin and 2 coin. Then get 2. And if your price for this drink is 2, then it's okay. You can get 2. 200 maybe. Okay, finish. And here, on the machine here, they have setting button, and increase, decrease. You can press this here, and for setting. And here, you can see setting. This is temperature setting, highest temperature, lowest temperature, price. For first drink price, then press this first drink button, and press the increase button to increase the price. Now it's like 1 equal 1 signal. You can increase 2 signal, 3 price. If you set this second drink, then press this one. Third one, each drink you can set for a different price. And here is for the drinks setting. You can place the first drink, the water and powder, vanilla, and canister choose all can setting. After setting, you get this place and press the increase button again and save the data. And save here SAU, save the data. Now is standard for the user now.